So he was looking around for a place to go. Where are you going, silly?
Good float. Good starfish float.
Yeah, I think he's gonna be okay. I think he's gonna be okay. Let's see. Let's do a popsicle. Or I'm sorry, a cookie doodle. Ready? Set. All right. He was looking for that edge. Looking like, can I grab over there?
Yeah. What's he saying? No, that's just a wall, Austin. Yeah, he thinks it's an edge.
He's got to learn to problem solve here. He's got to learn to figure that out, which he did. Really good job. He's like trying to grab, he couldn't grab. He's like bored now. He's like, okay, where am I gonna go?
Good float.
He's been floating for almost a minute now.
Oh my goodness.
With some kicks, but that's because, yeah, it's like, you know, he's getting bored here. Like, where are we going, huh? Where are we going?
Austin, you gotta float.
Good job. Good job. So he figures I'm not close enough to get to my goal. I think he's good. I think he's good. Ready? And I'm not